Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is simple stamping again. Today I want to make a birthday card, and I am going to be using the Sew Hoppy Together, which is one of the celebration sets. So it's a free set. You can get this for free for with $50 in orders during celebration. You can get one of the celebration items. Besides Sew Hoppy Together, I'm going to be using Memento black Memento tuxedo black Memento ink, and I am going to be using my Stampin' Right markers, the In Colors, and I'm going to be using just some of the Whisper White note cards again. Okay, so I'm not using the Stamparatus. I just want you guys all to see that you don't have to use the Stamparatus, even though I think it's probably the best thing to use. So I am just going to be inking up. Let's bring this down. So you can see that. So you can just need some more light here. It's really dark outside today, so foggy and yucky and just no sunshine. I like having sunshine. So I'm just going to stamp that there. I am going to take out the little crown and stamp that right on top. And I'm going to put down the other froggy. Stamp that there. Stamp another crown on them. And then I'm just going to stamp the Hoppy for you. Now this could be used as something other than a birthday card, but Hoppy for you was my birthday sentiment. Then I'm just going to take some of the, this is Lemon Lime Twist, and I'm going to color in the froggy. So don't forget that if you like all of my cards and my videos, to follow me on YouTube, my blog, my Facebook page, Pinterest, Instagram. And I'm going to color the frog's, what I consider the frog's pants over here, Lemon Lime Twist. But also, I'd love it if you would do your shopping with me. And all you have to do is go marytroutner.stampinup.net and hit the Shop Now button. Then I'm taking the Call Me Clover. Doing some others. We're still in the hill country right now, so I was hoping for better weather, but oh well. This is not usually their winter weather. This is more their spring weather. Other than the cold. It was so cold the other night. And then I'm going to put some color in there. This is the pineapple punch. And the Grapefruit Grove. There you have it. Oh. For Stampin' Camp with Mary and Simple Stamping, thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.